Welcome to our channel. Today we how to reset Microsoft Excel data sources, full guide step by step clearly. To begin resetting Microsoft Excel data sources, first, open your Excel workbook. Locate the sheet that contains the data connection you want to reset. Click on the Data tab in the ribbon at the top of the screen. In the Connections group, select Connections. A window titled Workbook Connections will appear, displaying all data connections in your workbook. Select the data connection you wish to reset from the list. Click on the Properties button to open the connection properties. In the Connection Properties window, navigate to the Definition tab. Here, you will find the connection string that defines your data source. To reset the connection, click on the Edit Query button. This will open the query editor, where you can modify your data source settings. If you simply need to refresh the data, you can click on Refresh in the query editor. To change the data source, select Data Source Settings from the File menu in the query editor. In the Data Source Settings window, choose the data source you want to reset. Click on Change Source to point to a new data source if needed. After making the necessary changes, confirm by clicking Close and Load. Your data connection is now reset, and the workbook will update with the new settings. Finally, save your workbook to ensure all changes are retained. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.